Next time, let me. It's so yummy. Hey guys, welcome back again to today's video. So guys, in today's video, I want to make a plantain moi or plantain moi. So that's what I want to make today. Everything you are seeing here is totally clean. Even this plantain, I have washed it. Okay, it's a very ripe plantain, you know. So I will be adding this plantain fufu to it because we want to use this one for thick now, you know. So let's start this video. Okay. So guys, in case you never tried this, so just give it a try. Try it out, guys, because I don't want to throw away this plantain because it's so ripe. So I don't want to throw it away. So I want to blend it and use it for something else. Okay. I want to make a plantain my. Okay. So I will try to use that paper to wrap it. Hopefully I will get it right this time. Okay. So I'll be adding this pepper. I don't think I'll add everything. Other. Let me just add everything. So I'll be adding half of these onions. So I'm making use of these onions. I'll keep this. So I'll be using hot water to blend it. So I'm going to blend it now. So stay tuned, guys. So I'm going to be adding this flour now. I'll just add a bit. So guys, it's like this oil is too much. Oh, even I say too many, but never mind. I will miss everything. Babe, now how to wrap this thing? Because small, you say small. No, for the fried, you know, say if we not use this one now.
If you carry one on top of one, this will come later. Why you make her soft like that?
It's too tickle. You know, say I put flour. This one, the one I put me for. I have to try now. I washed this thing. I washed it yesterday. I saw that they say they try now. Wait, my son. They go to wait for them. Like this. Okay. Then which one take cover the front?
Now the two you're supposed to do the same time.
The two.
If the two don't, this one you know.
So guys, it's my first time to use this leaf. The other time, I tried to use them, but I don't fit. I don't know how to use them. My husband is teaching me, you know. So babe, the other time I will come add another one then. Babe, you know I said I get this one right. You know I said it's ready. You know the call you're telling me. Yeah, I'm going to tell my this. So that this one, you know I said this one. Like this, like this. Example, now everything you have to waste this water.
But the one you want to do.
When they do, I see it to win. I wash and put inside that bag. Put the inside fridge. Then how tell her
I don't believe that's a pregnant.
this one.
This one then pregnant. Before this one. They break them.
So I put on top.
Yeah, they don't.
Like this. So half of it.
They cover. Like, break them, break them.
Yeah. Top.
Yeah, this side for top.
It's not nothing. So guys, it tried it. So this is it. This is our plantain plantain my. You seeing it? So this is it. I try for this one. The wrap itself, my husband helped me. If not, it will not work. I see they learn how to use the sleeve to tie something, you know. One day, I'll get there. Tastes so nice. Are you seeing it? So guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. See you guys in our next video. If you want to see this type of video next time, let me know. So guys, it tastes so good, you know. So I want to eat from it so that I will give my husband to taste also, you know. It's so yummy. Thank you for watching. If you want to see this type of video, this kind of video next time, so let me know.